Right, hello again. Right, this one is lesson 5 for the higher paper. Going to split this up into two parts. The first part is going to be percentages. Right, so a percentage of a number. And this is all going to be calculator stuff. Right, so what do we want to do if we want to find, say, 14% of 212? Yeah. So what we do is we change that percentage into a fraction. So we do 14 over 100 times the number we were given, 212. So on your calculator, you can just do this routine, 14 times, can't do that, 14 divided by 100 times 212, all in one go, yeah? So let's have a look, 14 divided by 100 times 212 equals, bit of a weird number, 29.68. So that's a percentage of a number. And it doesn't matter what the percentage is, it's always the same routine. So bear that in mind. Right, now the next thing we looked at was a number as a percentage of another. Right, so you've got 15,000 people in a, I don't know, let's have a look, football ground, yeah. 7,300 are away fans. So what percentage of all the people in the football stadium are away fans, or away supporters? Now, so the number you're after is 7,300. So this is what the number you're concerned about is the away fans, and it's always out of all of them. 15,000. Now, this is a fraction, change a fraction into percentage because that's what we're finding. So we just multiply that by 100, and that will be 7300 divided by 15,000 times 100 on your calculator, all in one go. So 7,300 divided by 15,000 times 100 equals 48.6 recurring percentages. So that's how to find a percentage or express a number as a percentage of another. So the next one was percentage increase. Now there's lots of different ways to do this. We can do this via decimals, but we're going to keep it simple. So you have an item that is £24 and you want to increase this price by 12%. What is the new price? Right, so first of all we'll find out what 12% is and then add it on. Right, so 12%, same routine as we've done before, of 24. So 12 divided by 100 times 24 is £2.88, £2.88, and just 24 plus 288, nice and simple this one, £26.88 is the new price. So a percentage increase, find what the percentage is and add it on. Right, next one is a percentage decrease. See where we're going with this one, can't you? So you've got an item that is £96 and we're going to have a sale on, we're going to knock 15% off. So what's the new price? So first of all, you find 15% of the 96. So 15 divided by 100 times 96 is equal to 1440, and then subtract it from the original price, minus 1440. So 96 minus that is £81.60. £81.60. So that's a percentage decrease. Now another one is a percentage change. Now this is where you have an original price of say £58. So this is the original, and you'll have a new price of £64. So our task there is to work out what percentage we had to increase 58 by in order to get 64. So we need this difference over the original. Looks like a fraction, it is, times by 100 to make it into a percentage. Difference between these two numbers is £6. The original is always the first one you're given, doesn't matter whether it's bigger or smaller. Divide by 58 and then times that by 100 to find out what the percentage is. So 6 divided by 58 times 100 equals 10.3. 10.3%, more or less. Rounded it up, rounded it down. 10.3%. Difference over the original. So the difference over the original now, the next one, is when it goes down. So you have the original £94, and you have the new price as £68. What is the percentage change? Again, the same. Difference over the original in all, it's just me being sloppy, times 100 to make it into a percentage. Difference between those two numbers, 94 minus 68. No apologies for using a calculator, it's a calculator exam. 26, the original this time is still 94. The first price we come across is always the original, times 100. So 26 divided by 94 times 100 is another weird and wonderful, call it 27.7%. 27.7%. Right, so the percentage change, even though it's going down, it doesn't matter. The calculation is exactly the same. Difference over the original times 100. Right, the last bit of the percentage ones was find the original number. So we've got a price of £240. Oh no, we haven't. We want to find the original number, don't we? Do forgive me. So we've got the original number, or the original value, that we do not know. It's been increased by 16% and is now £148. Yeah. So don't make the mistake of finding 16% of this 148 and adding it on to find the original number. It will not work. So what you've got to do is find out what percentage this £148 represents. Well, the original is 100%. Then we've increased it by 16%. So that will equal 116%. So the 148 is 116% of the original value. So if we take the 148 and we divide it by 116, that will in effect be finding out what 1% is. We're not really bothered with that because we just want to find out what the original 100% is. So 148 divided by 116 times 100 equals 127 pounds and 59 pence. Always rounding because I'm getting some recurring decimals come up in the display. So there you go. So you find out what percentage that is worth, divide it by that number, and then multiply it by 100 to find out what the original number is. So you can see that 127.59, if we increase that by 16%, we will get to 148. Now the original number, when there is a decrease, slightly different. So we've got the original number, or the original value is we do not know, and then we decrease by 5%, say 5%, and is now £420, right? So the original number is going to be bigger than this. So now we need to find out what that is as a percentage. So the original is 100%. We're decreasing by 5%, so we've got to take it away. So then that equals 95%. So the 420 is 95% of the original value. So take 420, divide it by 95, and multiply it by 100, and we should get 420 divided by 95 times 100 equals 442.1. 10 is money, so it's 10p. Yeah. So you see the original number, the original value is bigger than this one, because what we've done, we've taken 442 and 10p, we've taken 5% away, and we're left up with 420. That is percentages. So lesson 5 has another part to it, so come back and see that one in a minute.